Today we will be informing you on the steady state theory. The steady state theory states that the universe is always expanding and has a constant creation of matter to maintain the average density of that matter. This means that there is a continuous creation of matter constantly. This theory was meant to challenge the Big Bang theory by fixing the flaws and answering the questions that were still unanswered. The steady state theory was proposed by Fred Hoyle, Sir Hermann Bondi, and Thomas Gold in 1948. They were unhappy with the idea implied by Hubble's observations, so they came up with the idea of the steady state theory. The steady state theory was started one evening after the three had just watched the movie Dead of Night together. Tommy Gold's idea, inspired by the movie, was that as the universe expanded, new matter was created in the widening gaps between the galaxies. This theory was created to challenge the Big Bang theory by answering the questions of how the universe is expanding but remaining the same. Although Hoyle, Bondi, and Gold created the steady state theory, Edwin Hubble was the man who originally discovered cosmological expansion. Cosmological expansion of the universe is the increase of the distance between two distant parts of the universe with time. This was discovered by Edwin Hubble in 1929 and is used as a supporting piece of the steady state theory. He also created a classification system for galaxies. This is known as the Hubble sequence. This was created to classify galaxies, and it has been used by other researchers for decades. Thomas Gold was the scientist of the three that originally proposed the steady state theory. Thomas Gold's idea, inspired by the movie Dead of Night, was that as the universe expanded, new matter was created in the widening gaps between the galaxies. The idea that the universe is always changing yet remains the same is called dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium is a state of balance between continuing processes. This means that although the universe is expanding, it is still remaining the same. In conclusion, the steady state theory is clearly the superior theory. It solves the problems left over from the Big Bang theory, as well as answers the question of how the universe keeps expanding but still remains the same.